7. When someone you're talking to sticks out their tongue. Had a girl slightly do it on a date and it drove me wild. 8. Men's calves. Snuggling up to those bad boys can be a real turn on. 9. Being able to eat a lemon or lime without making a face. My girlfriend did that on our first date and we've been together over a year now. 10. I can have no feelings for someone, and as soon as they talk about something they're passionate about or if they get excited over something small, I want to marry them. 11. Doing handyman stuff. If you're soaked with sweat because you worked all day fixing and troubleshooting things, wrinkles on your forehead because you think too much, and you still have the patience to help a neighbor or entertain a kid, I'm jumping your bones.